During World War II, American factories ran day and night to meet the urgent demand for WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
Thousands of dedicated workers stepped into these plants daily to begin building the iconic WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
The creation of WWII Willys MB Jeeps began with the arrival of heavy steel, the backbone of every vehicle. These raw materials were carefully sorted and stored, awaiting their role in forming WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
This bustling environment was the heart of production for WWII Willys MB Jeeps. Powerful cutting machines shaped raw metal into essential pieces for WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
Each component was sorted to maintain a smooth assembly flow for WWII Willys MB Jeeps. Strict quality control ensured the toughness required of WWII Willys MB Jeeps. With materials prepped, the major structural step began: the frame of the WWII Willys MB Jeeps. The side rails of WWII Willys MB Jeeps were bent into their rugged profile using hydraulic presses. Jigs ensured every frame for WWII Willys MB Jeeps maintained perfect symmetry. Skilled welders joined the core structure of WWII Willys MB Jeeps with precision. Reinforcements guaranteed the durability of WWII Willys MB Jeeps in harsh battle conditions.
Riveting added additional strength to critical areas of WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
Grinding ensured a smooth fit for other components of WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
Each frame of the WWII Willys MB Jeeps underwent alignment checks to ensure accuracy.
Protective paint was applied to shield WWII Willys MB Jeeps from corrosion.
Drying racks prepared the completed frames of WWII Willys MB Jeeps for further assembly.
These frames formed the foundation upon which all WWII Willys MB Jeeps were built.
Mounting points were prepared to support the many systems of WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
Precision tightening ensured long-lasting reliability of WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
Each completed frame awaited its transformation into fully functional WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
The next phase in constructing WWII Willys MB Jeeps began with suspension and axles.
U-bolts secured vital components tightly on WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
Leaf springs were assembled to give WWII Willys MB Jeeps their rugged, off-road capability.
The front axles of WWII Willys MB Jeeps were designed to withstand tough battlefield terrain. Differentials enabled WWII Willys MB Jeeps to deliver power efficiently to each wheel. Rear axles provided the essential rear drive power of WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
Braking systems were carefully installed to ensure the safety of WWII Willys MB Jeeps. These components were prepared to join the main structure of WWII Willys MB Jeeps. Precise placement was required when mounting the frame onto the suspension of WWII Willys MB Jeeps. Alignment ensured smooth operation of WWII Willys MB Jeeps on all terrain.
Each suspension setup was tested to verify the rugged flexibility needed for WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
Critical torque levels were achieved to guarantee dependable performance in WWII Willys MB Jeeps. The rolling chassis marked a major milestone in building WWII Willys MB Jeeps. Only approved chassis were allowed to move forward in the WWII Willys MB Jeeps assembly line.
Shock absorbers improved ride stability of WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
With the chassis complete, the next major step in building WW2 Willys MB Jeeps was the engine.
The engines for WW2 Willys MB Jeeps began as molten metal poured into rugged cast molds.
These blocks cooled before entering precision machining stations for WW2 Willys MB Jeeps.
Machinists carved accurate surfaces to ensure flawless assembly of WW12 Willys MB Jeeps engines.
The crankshaft, the heart of the WW2 Willys MB Jeeps engine, received careful shaping.
Every piston installed in WW2 Willys MB Jeeps required exact tolerances.
The crankshaft was fitted with precision into each WW2 Willys MB Jeeps engine.
Pistons were installed to complete the core moving parts of WW2 Willys MB Jeeps engines.
The timing system synchronized vital engine components in WW2 Willys MB Jeeps.
Cylinder heads sealed the combustion chambers of WW2 Willys MB Jeeps engines. Valves were tuned to deliver optimal performance for WW2 Willys MB Jeeps.
Fuel systems were added carefully to keep WW2 Willys MB Jeeps running reliably.
Proper lubrication was essential to the longevity of WW2 Willys MB Jeeps engines.
Cooling components protected WW2 Willys MB Jeeps during long missions. Electrical systems brought life to the WW2 Willys MB Jeeps engines. Completed engines moved steadily closer to installation in WW2 Willys MB Jeeps.
The engines approached their new homes within the frames of WW2 Willys MB Jeeps.
Careful alignment joined the engine and chassis of WWII Willys MB Jeeps. Engine mounts secured the power plants of WW2 Willys MB Jeeps firmly in place.
Essential connections prepared WW2 Willys MB Jeeps for movement.
Each engine was tested before powering WW2 Willys MB Jeeps for the first time.
Transmissions were assembled with precise gearing to support the versatility of WW2 Willys MB Jeeps.
Gear systems allowed WW2 Willys MB Jeeps to handle both road and rough terrain.
Proper sealing was vital to the reliability of WW2 Willys MB Jeeps.
The transfer case gave WW2 Willys MB Jeeps their legendary 4x4 capability.
These combined systems formed the core driveline of WW2 Willys MB Jeeps. The transmission joined the engine, bringing WW2 Willys MB Jeeps closer to mobility. Linkages ensured smooth shifting inside WW12 Willys MB Jeeps.
Drive shafts delivered power to both axles of WW2 Willys MB Jeeps.
Lubrication kept the driveline components of WW2 Willys MB Jeeps moving freely. Each powertrain was tested to guarantee flawless operation in WW2 Willys MB Jeeps.
Clutch tuning ensured smooth gear engagement for WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
Fluids protected and cooled the mechanical systems of WW2 Willys MB Jeeps. Powertrain alignment was checked meticulously to maintain the reliability of WW2 Willys MB Jeeps.
Approved components marked another step toward completing WW2 Willys MB Jeeps.
With powertrains installed, the skeleton of WW2 Willys MB Jeeps headed toward body construction.
Body panels for WW2 Willys MB Jeeps began as flat steel sheets.
Stamping machines shaped the distinctive bodies of WWII Willys MB Jeeps. Panels were collected and prepared for assembly onto WWII Willys MB Jeeps frames.
Welders constructed the rugged, open body of WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
Firewalls protected the drivers of WWII Willys MB Jeeps from engine heat.
Fuel tank compartments were integrated into the design of WWII Willys MB Jeeps. Each body received protective primer before finishing on WWII Willys MB Jeeps. The iconic olive drab color defined all WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
Drying allowed the paint to cure on the bodies of WWII Willys MB Jeeps. Simple but functional seating was installed inside WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
The steering system brought responsive control to WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
Drivers relied on these rugged controls in WWII Willys MB Jeeps. Heavy-duty tires equipped WWII Willys MB Jeeps for rough terrain.
These wheels gave WWII Willys MB Jeeps their dependable footing.
Braking systems for WWII Willys MB Jeeps were simple yet effective.
Electrical circuits brightened and powered essential functions of WWII Willys MB Jeeps. Batteries provided the spark needed to start WWII Willys MB Jeeps. Every WWII Willys MB Jeep's electrical system was tested thoroughly. Dashboards were prepared to house the simple, functional controls of WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
Fuel systems were secured carefully inside WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
Rear bodies allowed WWII Willys MB Jeeps to carry troops and supplies.
Exhaust components kept WWII Willys MB Jeeps running smoothly and safely.
Each body received protective primer before finishing on WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
Cooling systems protected the engines of WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
Strong mounting ensured the durability of World War II Willys MB Jeeps under combat stress.
Fluids prepared WWII Willys MB Jeeps for their first ignition.
The engine's first rumble signaled the near completion of WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
The front grille became one of the most recognizable features of WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
Idle testing ensured proper function of all systems in WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
Fold-down windshields were standard on WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
Final markings identified each of the WWII Willys MB Jeeps, built for the Allied forces.
A strict final inspection certified WWII Willys MB Jeeps for deployment.
Every completed WWII Willys MB Jeeps rolled off the line, ready for action.
Rugged terrain testing proved the reliability of WWII Willys MB Jeeps.
Rows of finished WWII Willys MB Jeeps awaited transportation to the front. Transport crews shipped WWII Willys MB Jeeps to battlefields worldwide.
The factory never stopped, providing thousands of WWII Willys MB Jeeps to Allied troops.
Built tough, WWII Willys MB Jeeps conquered every terrain.
Their unmatched capability made WWII Willys MB Jeeps invaluable in wartime.
Convoys of WWII Willys MB Jeeps supported countless missions.
The silhouette of WWII Willys MB Jeeps became a lasting symbol of freedom.
From raw steel to battlefield hero, WWII Willys MB Jeeps remain one of the greatest manufacturing achievements in history.